Gucci, Louis, Fendi, what you want? Red bottoms and Chanel, I put you on. Let me show you off and give you what you want. Nails done, hair did, what you want?
What's up, gang? It's your girl, Nay.
It's your girl, Kiz.
And before we get into this video, make sure you
like, comment, and most definitely subscribe. And make sure y'all click that bell to get notified when we hit y'all with them bangers.
And follow all of our social medias in the description down below. And by the title of this video, gang, you guys already know what's going on. We pretty much doing a TikTok trend.
Yeah.
It's actually called Match the Sound. We haven't seen nobody do this video.
Not on YouTube. We just seen it on TikTok.
So we said, let's be the first ones to put it out there. Let's try to be trendsetters. Like, we trendsetters.
You already know.
Handshake, handshake. We trendsetters.
No, that's what I do.
Period. But we pretty much got a few items down here next to us. We each gonna get a turn. We're gonna do rock, paper, scissors. We each gonna get a turn to actually make the sound and like pick up the item for the sound.
Exactly.
Like, we just gonna switch it.
And we know we're gonna probably look crazy, but that's the whole principle of this
that's
video.
the whole principle of this video, gang.
Just
we got more
fun.
videos coming after Vlogmas. We just like slowed it down.
Take a break.
Y'all know our situations. We don't have to keep, like I said last video,
explain it over and
over again because that will get boring.
Exactly.
But we miss you guys, so yeah, let's get into this video. We're gonna do rock, paper, scissors. The person that beats is the person that's gonna get the chance to react the sound.
Alright, make the sound. Alright, I got you.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Now you got it. Alright, let me see.
She got a lot of stuff down here too.
Alright, I got some playing cards. Wait, let me hear it one time, see. Yo, this could be crazy.
Okay. Let's do my favorite thing in the whole wide world. Orange soda.
Gonna turn the orange soda.
Yo, I might as well take a sip of that. Hold on.
I got my own soda right here. You feel me? Grape all the way.
Okay, it's on you.
Alright.
What's your next item? Party.
Yo. Alright, baby. If you think that's how it sounds, you know.
I'm feeling her.
It is what it is. You sound like the first time, but you know, you might get it together. Okay.
No, baby. I don't think you're making a sound.
I am making a sound. I can't sound like the vitamins. But maybe I should pick that one for you. Here we go. Something simple. Maybe get this together. Piece of paper. Whatever. Be careful now.
Okay. You off.
I did do the. I did the scissors.
It's not a bass. It's a.
Alright, time to spice it up, you know. Spice it up a little bit. You ready?
Don't ask us about those.
Adult purposes only.
Go ahead. Mm-hmm.
No, you sound like the first 4 times. Let's try it again.
Okay.
Let's try it again. Try it again. Okay. Sound like you sneezing. Yo.
I don't know how that's supposed to sound.
That's what I'm saying. You can't match anything.
Yeah, because that's
It's
really
kind of
hard.
difficult.
Get your man some. I love this. Somebody.
First of all,
so good.
I'm a
Well,
female.
you're a female, but yeah, you can even get your female some.
I'm telling y'all, she be all on you like better love.
Okay, baby.
Alright.
Look. No. Why do you keep pushing everything? No. It's
Alright, let me hear. One more time.
no. Why you keep spitting everything out? Like,
Cause that's what it's doing.
no. With your teeth. Listen.
I'm not about to grip my
Alright,
teeth.
listen. Too dry, Carl.
About to get things little lit.
We both trying.
We trying hard, baby. It's alright. I think I'm doing a little better than NATO.
No, she keeps saying I say it like the same word the first time. No, I'm not.
Alright, relax. You ain't gotta do all that. Anyways, we about to things a little lit. Put your lighters up. West side.
Let me hear it. Let me.
Philadelphia.
Fellow. No, what?
New Jersey.
What was I about to say? I said fellow.
Alright, let's get a little lit.
Alright, come
Ready?
on.
Okay, let's try it again. Let's see. Yeah. Spit all on me. If I had to rate you out of 0 to 10, I'd give you about a 6.5, 7. Just because you're really trying, baby. I can't give you no 10 because you.
Alright, shut up before I spray you.
Alright, don't spray me with that.
Listen.
I did it right.
Yeah, you did it.
Got you.
That was the first one you did. Them other ones, nah. You was it.
Get your girl some chocolates. You ready?
We don't even eat those.
Not really. It's just in here.
Everything.
It's just in here. Whatever.
Go
Just
ahead,
buy
make
it
it
and buy
mine.
stuff. Ready? Wait, what are you hearing? There you go. Yeah, get it, guys.
Spray them down.
Oh, you almost knocked me with one of those. Do you know I couldn't hear? I would knock you out. Put him. Dum, dum, dum. Dum. I might seem like a weird game, guys, but it's really fun. Like,
Yeah, it's really fun.
It's weird, but it's fun.
Funny.
Like, it's funny for the reactions.
Yeah,
like,
it's funny.
all right, it's my go.
We didn't even do a TikTok video on it, but we definitely about to get back on our TikTok.
Exactly,
So.
and if you don't follow us on TikTok, follow us. That link will be in the description down below.
Follow us, gang. It's only getting better. It's only going
We're
up
only
from
going
here.
up from here.
N&KGANG, be a part of the gang. Be
The
part
gang,
of the family.
the fam. You feel me?
Two-way.
You already know.
Until we get us a little dog.
Dog, kid, something, whatever comes first. Got a little off topic, but y'all know once it ain't us if we don't get off topic.
Yeah.
I know we always going off topic.
Off topic. We gotta talk to the gang,
gotta
the
talk
family.
we missed y'all, bro.
We do. We do.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Booster. Put your back in it. Put your back in it. Ah! 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 Hey. Know me, I'm a fool, baby.
Oh, and one thing I definitely gotta show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all. We didn't do a Christmas vlogmas, but I'm definitely gonna show y'all my two favorite things. Well, it's multiple things that I got for Christmas. I'm gonna show y'all my thing that I got for Christmas. I'm put that on camera. Make sure let y'all see that.
What are you doing? Okay.
I wanted some of this water. That's why I was twisting top. It was
Let me hear
nice
it.
and cold.
Alright. That's what it did, right? Do it again, do it again. I'm getting serious, right? Do it again. Alright.
Yeah, you did it, baby.
Okay.
She did it. She did it.
Got some shaving cream. They don't really use this.
No.
No, it don't really work.
I used it one time, and then it was like,
It wasn't
she just was she don't like she just liked me to just like naturally shave.
You got it.
We really get better at it, I swear. Because in the beginning we were just saying
We was
the
just
same.
doing anything.
Yeah, until we got the hang of it. Alright. I'm gonna bring my friends back. I got more stuff down here, but I'm just bringing these back because it's boxes. You can make any type of salad with a box. You can bake it, you can twist it, you can. Okay. Here, you got it. You got it, baby.
Alright, let me see if I can. Okay. Since we just add stuff on, let me take a sip of this. You ain't from the hood if you don't know about CNC. I'm telling you.
Can't go wrong with
Can't
a
go wrong
CNC.
with a 50-cent CNC. It's pandemic out here.
Never forget where you come from.
Got it.
Ready? I'll do it again.
My
This is the last item, gang. We hope you actually enjoyed this video, but we're gonna get through the last item. I'm gonna show you my Christmas gift that I got.
Spoiled.
And yeah, go ahead, baby.
Y'all ready? Good try, baby. You tried, mama.
Well, as you guys know, this is our video. Y'all know Babe probably want me because I really kept saying the same noises. I kind of figured
Over
that
and over and over and over. I love you though. But she just didn't get me on this one.
But hold
on. In them comments, because y'all know
baby.
I busted.
No, Team Nate in them comments because I don't care, period, gang. Team Nate.
No, I bust you.
My Team Nays, listen.
My Team Kisses.
We always come through.
My Hershey's.
We always come
I'm going to call y'all my Hershey's because I'm y'all Kiss. Y'all already know. My Hershey gang. Y'all already know. We coming with it. Period. Point blank. Period.
So if she gonna call her Hershey's, I'ma call my girls Nay Girlies. But see, all of my supporters might not be girly, so
Well, I don't know what you call
Nay Glams. No, that's still girly.
Yeah, it's still a little girly.
Nay Glams and Jens.
Whatever, sugar it. Let me get her gift for her so she can show y'all this real quick.
Yeah, let me show you guys my gift that my baby got me. Because as you guys know, I told y'all, I told you guys that I'm actually started getting into this stuff. So she like been buying she been buying this stuff for me, but it's like, yeah. And we didn't get a chance to do this for you guys on Christmas Day, so I'm gonna show y'all a little something. These is what she got me, guys. These brushes, I love this gift. This is one of my favorites, actually. And it comes with all these brushes. It's got the names on the back. I don't know if you can see clearly, but yes, I love this gift. Like, I really do. And last but not least,
This is not all she
of
got,
one of my
everybody.
favorites. No, this is not. This is not even all that I got, but this is just like the best gift ever because I started so small. Like I got little mirrors like this, and guys, look what my baby got me. Look what she got me. And if I could pull it out, I would. It's bigger than it looks on this box. Like the picture looks like small, but when I pulled
It's
this
the
out,
size of the whole box. Like
yeah, it's this whole size of the box. When I pulled this out and just looked at it, I couldn't stop looking at it because I was in shock. I was so happy. This is everything. I haven't even used it yet because I'm trying to get the perfect spot for it. Like, because this means a lot to me. Like, I don't just want to
trying to spend money.
No, I don't just want to put it. You know how girls. You know how any girl could vouch for this. You know how you get something new, like not shoes or clothes. I'm talking about like items like this, like a new mirror or a new blanket, or you don't want to use it until everything is clean and situated. Yeah, I'm her.
Yeah, that's her.
Yeah, that's
Anyways, I'm gonna just show
me.
y'all two things I got because
That's me.
if y'all know kids, y'all know she into all types of head type of things. Give me a hat, give me a bandana, scarf. It don't matter.
Yeah.
But my baby got me something with my
It's
name
smelling
on
good.
it.
Big on smelling good.
Oh yeah, I ain't gonna put on that Dior in a minute. You already know. Anyways, so peep the hat. Y'all probably think, oh, it's just a plain Nike hat. No. But boom, nigga, it got my whole. Who that is? I'm too fly, and then you already know she got me the bright yellow.
Yeah, I had to do
This with the yellows. I'm telling you, that'll be crazy.
I had to do this.
That'll be crazy.
Look at my big ass hair. My head is so big, y'all. I can't fit none of her hats, and I be mad because some of my fits.
Well, first of all, your head is not that big.
Some of my fits
really
look
little.
banging with her hat.
My
her
hat,
because she
my
got
hat
a whole
collection is
hat
crazy.
collection. That's what I'm saying.
Hats and do-rags.
Hats, yeah, like it's beyond me. Like it's beyond me. But we don't want to hold y'all. We just wanted to throw that out there. Just
Exactly.
the few
Just
gifts
give y'all
that we
little
had.
something.
You
Even
know,
though we came
we
a
got
little
each
late,
other
but
mad clothes. We got each
mad
other.
stuff.
Yeah, like it's.
I'm not about to
get
get
all
that out
us.
of the
Yeah,
closet,
it was just like the stuff that we
was
still
already
had
out.
on the side still, so it was quick to grab.
Exactly.
But gang, before we end this video, make sure you
Like, comment, and most definitely subscribe. And make sure y'all click that bell to get notified when we hit y'all with
definitely
bangers.
click that bell and follow all our social medias in the description down below. Gang, do not forget to run it up for us. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe.
Tell a friend to tell a friend. You heard?
Share our video. Leave a comment. You can say what you want under the comments. We don't
We
hold
respond
hatred.
back. Nah,
we respond back to all our
And
comments.
if you got something you recommend, we'll go by that too. It depends on what it is though. 'Cause
And
I'm not
it's,
about to jump
you,
off
it could be a
bridge.
love-hate comment. We still gonna grind.
I'm still gonna
We
grind.
still
I'm
gonna
make
grind.
it through.
But pretty much
anyways,
that's it, babe. What they gotta do 3 times.
They gotta run it up 3 times. You heard?
Run it up, run it up, run it up.
Damn,
Run it up, run it up, run it up.
Damn,
Run it up, run it up, run it up.
Ah.
Baby girl, let's take a trip to where you want. How about Dubai, so I can show you off. Let's go to places that you've never seen before, and have a future with some kids, that's what I'm on.